Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop your video using Filmora 12. Okay, so this is a question from one of my subscribers and I'm going to make a quick tutorial for you. It is very simple. By the way, I have just updated my website. So this is my website, jackydeals.com. Here you will see some plan for Filmora 12 and you can get 20% discount coupon code. I have Windows, Mac OS and also annual plans. So all the plans are here. If you want to purchase the license, don't forget to visit Jacky Deals. Okay, and save your money. Alright, so this is the user interface of Filmora 12 and let's create a new project. Okay. So currently I'm using Filmora 12.0.16. So this is the latest version because I have just upgraded to this latest version because they told me that there's some fix and stuff like that. Okay, so first thing I want to put a video on the screen. For example, yeah, let's say I want to have this one. So this is just a stock media. Just download it and keep the project setting. Okay, so this is a video. There are two options to add crop effect to your video in Filmora 12. The first option is to split the video at the position you want to crop. For example, here I can put my playhead here and then I can cut it. And now I want to create a crop effect for this portion. All I need to do is to click here and then select this button, crop, or you can press the shortcut on your keyboard, Alt plus C. And in some cases you don't see this option, you can just click here at the toolbar manager. Okay, just click here and then you can see the crop function. Just click here and drag and drop it onto the timeline. Okay, and now we can just click here at the crop function. And now you have the rectangular to adjust your crop area. By the way, you need to select the aspect ratio right here first. If your project is 16:9, you want to select 16:9. If it is 1:1, you want to select 1:1. Otherwise, it will change the aspect ratio. Okay, so just select it from here and then, for example, I want to crop to this area. So I just keep my subject at the center and let's click apply. And now we have the crop effect. Very nice, right? And now if you want to crop to full screen, you can just split the clip right here and then you want to select the crop button again and you can adjust it to full screen. Apply. This is the crop effect and full screen. Okay, and this is the first option to apply crop effect to your video. And the other option is to add a crop effect to your video. For example, you can go to here at the effect tab and then select video effect. And now you want to search for crop and press enter. Okay, and this is your crop effect. All you need to do is to drag and drop it. You can put it here on top of your video also. For example, now you have this crop effect on your video and you want to adjust the crop by double click at the crop effect here on the timeline and then you can adjust left and right and top and also bottom. And if you want to zoom it to full screen, you can do it right here. Okay, auto zoom, stuff like that. And now you have the crop. So this is the second way to add crop effect to your video in Filmora 12. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.